Alright, so hi there everyone. Well, it's me again, Teacher Kevin PH, and we are back with another video. Alright, so this time I'm going to teach you how to make a bootable device for any version of Windows. Alright, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Okay, and the upcoming latest versions of Windows. Alright, as operating system. Okay, and this time we're going to make this flash drive as a bootable device for Windows 8. Alright, I'm going to teach you how to make a bootable device for Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. And with this application, this is already applicable with other versions of Windows, such as Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows 10, as long as you have the ISO files. Okay? And we'll be using one software in this one, and we'll be needing one downloaded file. That is the ISO file of Windows 8. Okay? And don't worry, the link will be on the description below. Just visit it. Alright? And let's proceed. We're going to use Rufus in making this flash drive as a bootable device for Windows 8. Okay? Alright, so let's start. First, insert this flash drive to to one of your USB ports. There you go. I already flash drive. And I also have here the different ISO files. ISO file for Windows 1, Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows 7 Ultimate. Okay. And this time, this is only a one process. Okay. We have different versions of Windows. Windows here, 8.1, 10, Vista, and Ultimate. I'm going to show you a sample for this one. We're going to use the Windows 8. Okay. We're going to use the Windows this time we're going to use the Windows 10 sample. Okay, after all, there's no difference at all. All right, we're going to use Rufus. Okay, right click on this one. You may download this one on the internet. Google Rufus. This is a free software, my dear friends. Okay, run as administrator. There you go. Upon inserting your hard drive, it will upon inserting your flash drive, it will automatically detect, or Rufus will automatically detect your flash drive. We have here my 8 gig. Okay, this is SanDisk. And the next, after this one, let's select the ISO file that we're going to use. Okay, I have it here with me, my ISO files, Mr. Learning Files, Softwares. There you go. And let's proceed. Let's look for my ISO files. There you go. We have 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows 7. I'm just simply going to use Windows 10 as a sample. Okay? And click on this one. This is the ISO file. Click open. Then there you go. Let's proceed with partition scheme. Let's change this one to MBR. There you go. And next, we're good to go. Let's just then click start and wait for it until it's done. Click start, hit OK, then just wait for it until it's done, making our flash drive as a bootable device for Windows 8. Alright, or Windows 8.1 or any or different type of Windows, different version of Windows. Wait for it until it's done. Then later on, we'll see if what will happen with our flash drive. We'll just wait for it. Alright, there you go, my dear friends. We're done making our flash drive a bootable device for Windows 8. There you go. Hit close. Just wait for it until it's done, okay? Hit close and let's take a look at our flash drive and what happens to it. There you go. We have it here. We have the setup, okay, and the different files that will make it or that will turn our flash drive into a bootable device. Okay, then you're ready to reformat your computer if you have a problem with it. Thank you so much, or shall I say, you if you want to upgrade your Windows or operating system, then you may do this one. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've learned something, and see you again next time. Bye bye.